Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Biradar. I am from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am in section 12. My roll number is 20ME30058. For DIY assignment 1, I have made a karambit knife. I play a game. Karambit knife is a weapon in it, so I decided to make it. Finally, it looks like this. I have used SolidWorks software to design this. At the end I have added some colors in it, as you can see. So let me show you the basic sketch of it first. This is the sketch of my karambit knife. You can now it looks more clear. First I have made the blades. The blades are made from 3 semicircular arcs, and this is also one of the semicircular arc. Then I have extruded the back part of the whole blade by from mid plane, and then I have used the chamfer option of the SolidWorks to truncate this part of the blade so that it becomes sharp. Then I have sketched the handle of the blade, and I have extruded it individually because I wanted the thickness of the handle to be different from that of the blade. And now you can see that I have made some finger grooves. These finger grooves, first I sketched some fillets from these straight lines, then I have sketched some fillets giving them some curvature. After extruding, then I have used again the chamfer function to give a different thickness to the groove so that the fingers can fit in. Let me show you. You can look at this, like here the distance is different so that there comes some slope. And again, let me show you another chamfer. Like here the finger grooves, it is not directly till the curvature. First I have made another fillet, increase distance there, and again change the slope here. Then I have used the cut extrude option to make various designs here. Like I have removed this circle, this part, these 4 semicircles, and this small part also just for design. I have used the fillet options at many places like this. So this is the sketch of my karambit knife. Let's make a mesh. I have already exported this mesh file to the Cura software. I have scaled down the karambit knife so that it fits in a 200 cube. These are the prints. I have laid it flat on the surface to make printing easy and no need of extra supports. I have kept the infill density 80, printing temperature 200, build plate temperature 60. The thickness is 0.15 mm, and the speed is 60 mm per second. Now let's slice it. The time comes to 1 hour 47 minutes. Let's see the preview. So at the end you can see at the end there are some supports so that during this is a very thin knife, so for an accurate build there are supports at the handle end and the tip end. It will be built like this. Yes, this is it. Thank you and have a nice day.